Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a crow feeder, and it's going to attach next to our bird feeder camera that we have out front, and I'll show you that in a minute. So right now, here's what we have. I built this last week, and this is just some pressure treated plywood that I had left over. You can see the little cracks in it, but I painted it real good, sealed it up. And I've got some PVC trim board that I cut down, and I just put this thing together with galvanized finish nails with a nail gun, and then it's got a little water bowl from the old dog bowl, fits in there for water, and this is going to have peanuts and stuff, what crows like, and supposedly if you put shiny things on there, they'll take them and bring you back stuff. So we're going to see if it works. So we're going to mount it in front of our camera, our bird feeder camera, and I'll show you that real quick. But I've got this this old flagpole. The other half of it is what's holding up the bird feeder now, so I'm going to use this. And I've got this old piece of flange here, I don't know, it's in my scrap pile, and that's going to be welded on there. And before I do that, I'm going to weld that to this old weed whacker blade, and that's going to be the mounting flange to go underneath. I'll drill some holes in these corners here, and that'll mount to the bottom of the feeder. So we're going to get that cleaned up, get this cleaned up, cut the size, and I'll go show you that bird feeder real quick. All right, this is our solar powered Birdify feeder camera. So you just pop this little lid up here, like, I don't know, it pops up like that. There you go. And you fill it up with food. It's got a camera there, and it's the battery is solar powered, solar charged. So you can see the old flagpole finial there. I painted the whole thing white, so I'm going to plant the other one right next to it. So as the crows come up here, we'll be able to catch them on the camera. So that's the plan. So let's go get that thing finished up. I forgot to mention, I guess one of the reasons we're building this is crows are good to have around your property if you have chickens, which we have chickens. So we want to try to attract the crows. They help keep hawks away, and so that's the plan. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing cleaned up and get it tack welded on, get some holes drilled and mounted, and we'll get a hole dug out there for the pipe. We'll get the pipe trimmed up to the length. We just cool it off. I got it almost perfect on the center. Can you see that? Pretty close. I'm gonna go measure for the length of the pole and get that cut and get me a hole dug, and then we'll get it mounted up. Using these little self tappers, same thing I used on my metal roof on the chicken coop. Alright, I'm gonna get this painted and go get a hole dug. Looks pretty good. Alright, that looks pretty good there. I think I need to take the feeder off and maybe bend this flange up a little bit because it's a little bit crooked. I think I can straighten that out with a crescent wrench. So let me try that and then we'll finish filling in the hole. I think I got everything pretty square there. And now you can see how it's going to capture the crows with the camera. I got it set just a little lower than the bird feeder because the crows are so much taller. So, all right, let me pop that feeder off there and see if I can straighten that flange a little bit. All right, I got it all finished. I think those poles are pretty straight. Got some little trinkets in there for them. Got the peanuts and some water. Got the camera on. Got the bird feeder filled up. I think it turned out pretty good. Ended up shimming it up just a little bit there with some washers to get it straight the way I wanted it. That worked out good. Everything's nice and straight, level, plumb. All right, the crowbar is open. Thanks again for watching Projects with Paul. We'll see you next time.